What if your alarm clock became optional? Not because you won the lottery, not because you inherited a fortune, but because quietly, steadily, over time, you built a collection of assets that generate income, whether you're working, sleeping, traveling, or doing absolutely nothing at all. That's the real promise of passive income. And in 2026, it's more accessible than ever. Here's the truth most people don't hear. The wealthy don't just earn more, they earn differently. While the average person trades hours for dollars, the financially free have built systems. Rental income hitting their account at midnight. Dividends deposited every quarter. Royalties from a book written 3 years ago. Affiliate commissions from a blog post that took an afternoon to write. The gap between where you are and where they are isn't talent or luck, it's assets. Specifically, income-producing assets that compound over time and multiply your financial life without multiplying your workload. This list covers 12 of the most powerful passive income assets available to you right now. Some require capital. Some require creativity. A few require both. But every single one has the potential to become a pillar of real, lasting wealth, the kind that doesn't disappear when you stop showing up. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks remain one of the most reliable passive income vehicles available. Companies with long histories of paying and growing their dividends, often called dividend aristocrats, provide consistent quarterly income. Reinvesting dividends through a DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan, accelerates compounding significantly over time. 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord. By law, they must distribute at least 90% of taxable income to shareholders, making them exceptional income generators. Whether commercial, residential, or industrial, REITs offer exposure to property markets with stock-like liquidity. 3. Rental properties. Owning physical rental property is still one of the most proven paths to wealth. A well-located property in a growing market generates monthly cash flow, appreciates in value, and offers significant tax advantages through depreciation. Pair it with a reliable property manager, and it becomes genuinely passive. 4. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. As interest rate environments stabilize, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer near-zero risk income. While returns are modest compared to other assets, they're an essential low-risk foundation for any passive income strategy, particularly for emergency funds or short-term goals. 5. Bonds and bond ETFs. Government and corporate bonds provide predictable income through regular interest payments. Bond ETFs offer diversification across hundreds of issuers and maturities with a single purchase. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, can also preserve purchasing power during inflationary periods. 6. Index funds. A broad market index fund tracking the S&P. P500 or total stock market doesn't just grow in value, it pays dividends too. With ultra-low expense ratios and the power of compound growth, index funds are the cornerstone passive asset for millions of investors building long-term wealth. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms that facilitate direct lending between individuals and borrowers allow you to earn interest income that outpaces traditional savings rates. While higher in risk than bank products, diversifying across many loans mitigates individual defaults and can produce attractive yields. 8. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, presets, printables, and digital courses created once can be sold indefinitely. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, digital downloads, and Teachable make distribution seamless. The upfront effort is real, but the income stream can last for years with minimal maintenance. 9. Online courses. If you have expertise in any area, finance, photography, coding, cooking, fitness, packaging that knowledge into an online course can generate substantial recurring revenue. Platforms like Udemy expose your course to millions of learners globally, while your own platform gives you full control over pricing and branding. 10. Affiliate marketing. By promoting other companies' products through a blog, YouTube channel, newsletter, or social media profile, you earn commissions on every sale made through your unique link. Once an article or video ranks or gains traction, it can generate affiliate income for years without additional effort. 11. YouTube channel ad revenue. A monetized YouTube channel earns income through advertising, sponsorships, and channel memberships. The barrier to entry is low, and older videos continue generating views and revenue long after they're published. Educational, tutorial, and evergreen content performs especially well over time. 12. Licensing your photography or music. If you create visual or audio content, licensing it through stock platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Audio Jungle lets you earn royalties each time someone downloads your work. Upload once, earn repeatedly. A true passive model for creative professionals. Your next move starts today. Here's what separates people who build wealth from people who only read about it. Action. You don't need to launch all 12 of these income streams. You don't need $100,000 in the bank or a finance degree or a perfect moment to begin. You need one asset, one first step, one decision to start treating your money as a tool that works for you instead of a resource you simply spend. Pick the asset that fits where you are right now. If you have capital but not time, look at dividend stocks, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding. If you have skills and knowledge but limited savings, start with a digital product, an online course, or affiliate content. If you're somewhere in between, a high-yield savings account or index fund is a legitimate, powerful place to begin. The compounding effect of passive income isn't just financial, it's psychological. Every dollar your assets earn without your direct effort is proof that your financial life is expanding beyond your personal limitations. That shift in mindset is what turns one income stream into 3 and 3 into 10. The best time to build your first passive income asset was 5 years ago. The second best time is right now. Start small. Stay consistent. Let your assets do the heavy lifting. Ready to go deeper? Subscribe to our newsletter for weekly breakdowns on wealth-building strategies, asset analysis, and passive income opportunities worth your attention.